Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Shami Eats and Treats. Click on that subscribe button and get ready because today we'll be making leek and potato soup. In a large pot, we'll be putting 1 tablespoon of butter. Here I have 2 leeks that were chopped and cleaned thoroughly. Here we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's cover, simmer it on low for about 10 minutes. We want the leeks to soften but not brown. Now we'll add 1 chopped up potato. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chicken broth powder. Now we'll add 1.5 cups of boiled water. Now we'll cover it, let it simmer on low for 20 minutes until the potatoes are tender. If you've been enjoying these easy and quick recipes, don't forget to subscribe and let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Now using a hand blender, we'll blend it nice and smooth. Once it's to the consistency you like, serve and enjoy. You could still add some more liquid. I just like a thicker consistency soup. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to click here for more soup and dinner ideas.